Today we cover how to buy shares of SED Energy Holdings PLC. SED Energy is an industrial energy company listed on Euronext under the ticker ENH.OL. This video is educational only and does not provide financial advice. To buy ENH.OL, you need to use a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually by submitting an identity document, and then add funds to your account before buying. On the platform, use the search bar and enter the ticker ENH.OL to find the listing. Confirm you select the correct ENH.OL entry that matches SED Energy Holdings PLC on Euronext. Open the stock page to review basic company information and a price chart. Check the company name, exchange, and ticker on the page to confirm this is the correct SED Energy listing. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, choose the amount you want to invest, and review the order details. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or placed as a market on open order. If you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. After the trade executes, the position will appear in your portfolio. For a direct link to the example platform, see the description below.